Formatting. Formatting means changing the appearance of a document in order to make it attractive. We can create and design appealing documents by changing font, its size, highlighting certain words, adjusting line spacing, setting margins and tabs, applying border, changing text style and color. Each set of characters is known as a font. It has many properties like font type, font size, font color, etc. The option for changing the font properties are grouped in font group located on the home tab. Now see how can you change the font type. Select the text, click on the home tab, click on the drop down arrow next to the font box in the font group. A list of font appears. Choose the desired font from the displayed font list and observe the change. Next is changing font size. So first step is select the text whose size you want to change. Second step is specify the desired font size in the font size spin box. From here we select the size and put the number what size we want. Our text changes into that size only. Now see how do we highlight the text. The font style options such as boldface, italic and underline are used to emphasize the text and catch the reader's attention. A bold text appears heavy and dark, and italic text appears slightly slanted towards the right, and underlined text gets an underline under the text. First is bold. First point, select the text whose font you want to make bold. Second point, click on the bold option, that is B, in the font group on the home tab. From here we can select B to make our font in bold. Next one is italic. So first point is select the text whose font you want to make italic. Second is click on the italic option in the font group on the home tab. Last one is underline. First point is select the text which you want to underline. Second point is click on the underline option in the font group on the home tab. Now see highlighting the text with color. First point, select the text which you want to make highlighted. Second is to highlight text with color, click on the text highlight color in the font group on the home tab. By doing this, our font is highlighted in different colors as we wish. Now see how do we change the font color. You can also apply a color to the text in our document. For changing the color, first point is select the text in your document whose color you want to change. Second point is click on the font color option down arrow in the font group on the home tab. From here we can select any color. Next is paragraph formatting. The paragraph formatting option controls the appearance of the text in a paragraph. Steps to access paragraph formatting option are as follows. First step is select the text, and second step is right click on the text area and select the paragraph option. To set more precise spacing measurements, click on the paragraph dialog box launcher. The paragraph dialog box appears. By default, indents and spacing tab is open. Select the required line spacing option under the spacing section. Then last one point is click on the OK button and notice the changes. Now see text alignment. Alignment refers to the positioning of the text on a page. It is always better to set the alignment before typing. To align means arrange the text in such a way that each line of the text begins or ends at the same distance from the margins. There are 4 types of alignment: align text left, center align, align text right, and justify align. Paragraph indents. Indent is the blank space inserted between a line of text and the page margin. Next is printing a document. Once you have completed the typing and formatting of the document, you can print it on the paper. This printed output of the document is called a hard copy. But before printing a document, we must ensure the document is well drafted as per our requirement. Word provides us a feature to see how a document will look like when it is printed on a paper. This feature is called print preview. Now time to recall. First point is formatting means changing the appearance of the text in a document. This is the definition of formatting. Second is you can use the toggle buttons, that is B, I and U, to highlight and emphasize a block of text, that is bold, italic and underline. Third point is paragraph formatting adjusts the appearance of text in a paragraph. So students, I hope you all like this video. We will meet